This tutorial will provide an overview of the Redpine system setup process. It is critical to understand that you must fully set up your system prior to adding patients, scheduling, documenting, or creating claims and invoices. The learning objectives for this tutorial are primarily to understand the concept of the Redpine system setup process and how to use the system setup checklist to ensure you have completely set up your system prior to going live, and/or to make notes to ask our support staff specific questions. And don't forget to call us to double check your system when you have completed the process. The admin link is located in the upper right-hand corner of every tab. The admin area is where all the Redpine system setup takes place. You must have admin privileges to access this tab, which will be determined initially during the enrollment process. The office manager and/or account primaries, such as the business practice owner, will generally have admin access initially and have the ability to grant access to anybody. In order to ensure that you set up the system correctly and efficiently, you will be provided with a system setup checklist to help you document both sections completed and your questions about other sections to be used when consulting our support staff. Upon logging into the system for the first time, you will want to go immediately to the admin tab to change your password and security question. You will then confirm your practice and office information. Customize the locations in your patient queue. You will then enter in all of your products and services that your practice provides. Once you have created your products and services, you can then group those along with the CPT codes that you commonly use when billing under specific names that reflect your adjustment, treatment, and other services that you provide. These names will be used in your documentation and automatically feed the associated billing information to your billing staff. You will be able to determine how much time to block off on the calendar when you schedule a patient for a specific service. Don't worry, we'll go into details in the specific offering sets tutorial. Create your charge sheet, which will be used automatically when creating charges on claims. You will then be able to add practitioners and/or customize existing practitioners within the system, setting default billing information and documentation preferences. You will need to set up office hours and practitioner hours for each office within your practice. Create and manage visit and encounter types to add color and clarity to both the schedule and your management of patient encounters. And finally, create and manage episode types to make naming and managing episodes a snap. View the next series of tutorials that will walk you through each step of the setup process in detail.